Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetarian sushi. First, let's prepare our sushi rice. Rinse 2 cups of short grain rice until the water runs clear, then cook it with 2½ cups of water. After cooking, gently mix in a seasoned vinegar solution, typically made with rice vinegar, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Allow it to cool to room temperature before handling. Now let's talk about fillings. The possibilities are endless. Think about crisp cucumber, creamy avocado, sweet bell peppers, or even marinated tofu. You can also use blanched asparagus, shredded carrots, or pickled daikon. Aim for a balance of textures and colors to make your sushi visually appealing and incredibly tasty. Don't be afraid to experiment with your favorite vegetables. Rolling sushi might seem tricky at first, but with a bamboo mat it's quite simple. Place a sheet of nori shiny side down on your mat. Spread a thin, even layer of rice, leaving about 1 inch clear at the top edge. Arrange your chosen fillings horizontally across the center. Then, using the mat, lift the edge closest to you and roll forward, applying gentle, even pressure to create a tight cylinder. Once your rolls are complete, it's time to slice them. Use a very sharp knife, dampened with water, to cut each roll into 6 to 8 pieces. This prevents the rice from sticking and ensures clean cuts. Arrange your beautiful vegetarian sushi on a platter and serve with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a dab of wasabi. Enjoy your delicious, homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.